Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you my awesome trick shot that I did. You might not see it as that it was a trick shot, but it was actually bouncing off a wall by me. So yeah, I'm gonna be making a replay. So here it is. Check it out.